Over the past couple of months, the year 2020 has proved to be one of the deadliest times of our lives. And almost we are at the climax stage of this unexpected manifesto in the history 2020. From locust swarms, earthquakes, floods, and of course the coronavirus, the year kept everyone at the edge of their seats. Hoping for the best, let's check out some of the deadliest disasters noted in 2020. Hey guys, welcome back to Airfax Club. If you are new to our channel, join your hands in spreading amazing knowledge towards the society. Expand our family by subscribing our channel. 1. Australian bushfires. Signs of bushfires in Australia officially started in 2019 due to the prolonged droughts around the country. With time, emergency situation is prevailed around the country. Known as Black Summer, Australian bushfires were deemed as one of the biggest natural disasters. On an estimation, 18 million hectares of land buried, over 9,000 buildings and 400 deaths. Thousands of endangered animal species pushed to the situation of their extinction. 2. Flash floods in Indonesia. In the early hours of 1st January, overnight devastating floods in Jakarta and near areas made lives upside down of over 4 lakh population. Heavy tons of destruction, landslides and 66 deaths. People suffered for the basic needs of food, cloth and shelter. Number 3. COVID-19 outbreak. In December 2019, the first case was identified in Wuhan, China. Because it was not considered deadly, no one could imagine the impact it has created globally. In no time, it became pandemic. Losses turned over all aspects of human life. Around 8 crore of positive cases and 18 lakhs deaths made everyone to stand away from the word positive. However, now slowly people are venturing out while taking precautions and trying to sense the new normal life, while vaccination trials are being going on. Number 4. Volcanic eruptions in Philippines. With more than 20 active volcanoes in Philippines, the country is constantly at danger of catastrophes. The second most active Taal volcano erupted. As a result, a large amount of ash dust was emitted and over 3 lakh people were evacuated. As an impact of this, the Philippines is still picking up pieces and healing from the damage. Number 5. Sudden earthquakes in China, India, Iran, Philippines, Russia, Turkey and Caribbeans. With the ongoing pandemic this year, and people have faced so many catastrophic situations such as earthquakes all over the world. 45 major earthquakes are categorized over 6 degrees magnitude in Richter scale. Worst hit countries like Jamaica and Russia faced 7 degrees magnitudes as well. Turkey recorded 41 deaths. Number 6. Swarms of locusts attack in India, Asia, East Africa, Middle East. Desert locusts are migratory pests that can eat as much food as 35,000 people can eat. They feed on the crops and have power to destroy the crop within seconds. They breed rapidly and almost 150 millions of pests in 1 square kilometer area appears in the air. Being called worst ever attack in 26 years, it is believed that its sudden increase is due to the climate change. Number 7. Cyclone Amphan over Bangladesh and India. Cyclone Amphan is classified as one of the most powerful and deadly tropical cyclones to ever impact in Bangladesh and in India. It caused landfalls, heavy rains, lightning, and they left behind destruction. Number 8. Forest fires, Uttarakhand. In May, a forest fire that is lasted for days caused Uttarakhand to burn. What have started as a small fire has managed to engulf 51 hectares of forest land. Number 9. Assam floods, India. Heavy rains from the past few months have been seen as a boon around the different parts of India. Many parts of Assam had badly affected with floods. Over 128 villages, 5 districts, and many caused harm. Number 10. Green snow, Antarctica. When thinking about Antarctica, one can imagine everything white, from the glaciers to snow, penguins, seals, and whatnot. However, it has been noted that parts of Antarctica is turning green. due to the climatic change and bloom algae. It causes the snow to melt and algae grows rapidly. If you were to look at the continent from space, you could see some parts of the Antarctica green. Boosting up the deadly climax of 2020, the new strain of coronavirus with 56% more transmittable power has emerged in UK, transferring to different parts of the world, clicking the world danger bells. AR Facts Club always wishes you to be safe and healthy. If you like my explanation, hit like and subscribe buttons and expand our family, and leave your valuable comments below. Thank you.